Hi, travel lovers. Ready to embark on a journey to one of the most remote and mysterious places on Earth? That's right. Today we're exploring Antarctica, a land of glaciers, penguins, and epic landscapes that you've probably only seen in documentaries. Stay tuned as we uncover the top 10 best places to visit in Antarctica. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to book your trip to the frozen continent. Now, full your screen of TV, laptop, or mobile and enjoy the video. First on the list is the Antarctic Peninsula, the most accessible part of Antarctica and the most popular destination for tourists. This area is what most cruises will take you to, and it's packed with stunning views, from towering glaciers to beautiful icebergs. If you're lucky, you might catch a glimpse of whale watching in its waters. Humpback whales and minke whales are common here, especially in February and March. It's also home to massive penguin colonies, like Gentoo, chinstrap, and Adelie penguins. You can also see leopard seals sunbathing on the ice, adding to the spectacle. Quick question for you. Have you ever seen a penguin in person? Imagine standing just feet away from one. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? The Antarctic Circle. Next up, we're heading to the Antarctic Circle. This is a line that encircles Antarctica at 66 degrees south latitude, and crossing it means you're really deep into unspoiled wilderness. Only accessible during the summer when the sea ice has melted enough, this part of Antarctica feels like a true adventure. Expect giant icebergs, towering glaciers, and the chance to kayak near glaciers. Can you imagine paddling in the frozen waters of the South Pole? It's also the perfect spot for the daring to take a polar plunge. Yes, jumping into the icy water. If you're a true adventurer, this place should be high on your bucket list. If you're loving these places already, hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the ultimate travel destinations, including Antarctica. Stick around for more because the best is yet to come. South Georgia Island. Now, let's talk about South Georgia Island. This subantarctic island is a wildlife lover's dream. Known for its king penguins and massive elephant seals, it's a wildlife paradise. The island is also home to rare birds like the South Georgia pipit and pintail duck. Not just for nature lovers, it's also packed with history. This is the final resting place of Ernest Shackleton, the famous polar explorer. His grave at Grytviken is a must-see for history buffs. South Georgia is an island where history and nature meet in the most spectacular way, the Weddell Sea. Next, we're venturing into the Weddell Sea. Situated on the eastern side of the Antarctic Peninsula, the Weddell Sea is a place few get to visit because of its packed ice and massive icebergs. But for those who make the journey, it's breathtaking. This is where Shackleton's endurance expedition took place, and it's full of history. You'll also find the northernmost colony of emperor penguins here, and if you're lucky, you might catch sight of them on Snow Hill Island with the help of a helicopter. The Falkland Islands. Up next, the Falkland Islands. While not technically part of Antarctica, these islands are often visited on Antarctic Peninsula cruises. Expect lush, green landscapes filled with wildlife, including 5 types of penguins and rare birds like the Falkland steamer duck. And don't forget to explore the charming capital Stanley, with its British vibes, local pubs, and maritime museum. The Falkland Islands are a great place to take a break before continuing your Antarctic adventure. The Ross Sea. The Ross Sea is next on our list, a remote, pristine marine ecosystem often referred to as the Last Ocean. This place is known for its emperor penguin colonies and breathtaking ice landscapes. The Ross Sea is also historically significant because it's where Shackleton and Captain Scott launched their expeditions to the South Pole. Imagine walking through the preserved huts of these legendary explorers, still as they were left a century ago. This is a place where history and nature collide like nowhere else on Earth. The Drake Passage. Before we move on, let's talk about the Drake Passage. Known for its rough waters, crossing the Drake Passage is a rite of passage for Antarctic travelers. It may be challenging, but crossing it gives you that authentic Antarctic experience. And if you're lucky, you'll spot some seabirds, whales, and even dolphins along the way. It's the perfect prelude to your arrival in Antarctica. The South Pole. And of course, there's the South Pole, the ultimate destination. Positioned at the center of Antarctica, it's a place of incredible significance. You can fly here on a chartered flight from Chile, and when you arrive, you'll be standing at the southernmost point on Earth. Visiting the South Pole is a dream come true for many adventurers, and once you're there, it's hard to imagine anything more exhilarating. The Amundsen Scott Research Base is located here, and it's a great place to learn about ongoing research in this harsh environment. The South Shetland Islands. Next, we explore the South Shetland Islands. Just south of the Drake Passage, these islands are perfect for wildlife watchers and history enthusiasts. King George Island, the largest island, is home to scientific research stations and offers a great introduction to Antarctic wildlife, including penguins and seals. For the adventure seekers, Deception Island is another highlight, an active volcanic island with geothermal activity that makes for a truly unique experience. The Lemaire Channel. Finally, let's talk about the Lemaire Channel, an 11-mile-long passage that's as photogenic as it is peaceful. The towering cliffs, covered in glaciers, and the icy waters create a stunning backdrop for any Antarctic journey. It's one of the most memorable parts of an Antarctic cruise. Conclusion and CTA. So, there you have it, the top 10 places to visit in Antarctica. From the icy wonders of the Antarctic Peninsula to the remote beauty of the Ross Sea and the historic South Pole, this is a destination like no other. If you found this video informative, make sure to like it, share it with your travel buddies, and subscribe for more exciting travel content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next epic adventure.